beach lovers! So today is the day we're going to talk about hanging hardware and how to install it on the backs of your canvases. So there is a really easy way to do this and I'm going to show you what it is right now. Here are the supplies that you're going to need. I use 30-pound wire. I use the coated wire from OOK. Needle nose pliers, you want to make sure that they've got a cutting section. Phillips head screwdriver, measuring tape, pen, and what I don't show in the picture is D-ring hooks you can get at your local hardware store. Place the painting face down on a clean surface. Measure in the center of your canvas down about 3 inches. Mark it with a pencil. Measure each side and mark it off at 4 inches. At the 4-inch mark, place the first D-ring. Then use a screwdriver to hold it in place. Do the same on the other side. I try to keep the screws in the middle of the wood frame so as not to split the frame, and of course using a drill will be much faster, but if you don't have one, a Phillips head screwdriver will work. Take the wire and measure it across the frame. Bend one side and leave about 2 inches. Make sure the wire can hit the middle mark when you pull it across the canvas. So basically just pull it up a little bit and touch that 3-inch mark. Bend the wire on the other side, allowing 2 inches. Cut using the pliers. Loop the wire through the D-hook. Take the wire and wrap it around itself on both ends. Use the pliers to tighten the line. Once I'm done with this, I sign the back of my painting. Thank you so much for joining me. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, share if you know someone who could use this, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Bye! See you at the beach!